Hey everybody, today we have a Zcity, Z-H-I-C-I-T-Y, so I think that's pronounced Zcity, Bluetooth speaker. It's also a lamp and it changes color, so looks kind of cool. I'm pretty excited about that. Inside the box, we've got our instructions, which we never read because that's what we do. And then, the nice packaging to make sure that none of this gets damaged. Now my kids have fallen in love with music recently, so what we're doing is, we do have a lamp for them, but it's kind of like an infant lamp, and we want to go ahead and get that lamp out of the room. So I want to see how bright this is going to be and see if it could possibly serve as a replacement for that. We'll definitely make sure to let you guys know if that's going to be bright enough, because usually something like that's not going to come across very well on a video here. But here's the speaker. Here's the lamp portion of it, which is supposed to be able to change colors. On the bottom you've got your modes. You've got like a repeat, it looks like, and then you've got a timer. And then there's your reset button. Over here you have your power and your play pause, your up and your down. I'm assuming that's for volume, because you're probably going to be switching with your actual phone itself. So let's see how we go with trying to get it turned on and paired up. I'll go ahead and plug it in just in case. And as you plug in, you see you got a little light goes around the power button, so that way it turns pinkish red and you know it's charging. We're going to go ahead and power it on.
Right. Bluetooth's ready. Waiting for device connecting.
Well, sounds like it's going to tell me how to connect, so that's pretty cool. The lamp is a good nightlight lamp. I'm not going to say this thing is like super bright as far as providing power for the whole house if the power goes off, but it is a good nightlight lamp. So as I'm trying to scan here, it looks like it comes up under CK128. We're going to go ahead and pair up. And we're paired and now connecting. Did it on the first try.
Bluetooth connected.
Fantastic. Look how easy that was. So now we're going to go ahead and play a quick Pandora station real fast. I'm not sure what is even on here. Something from 50 Shades of Grey. Let's turn it up.
Imagine a country where jobs
Oh no, this skips.
families can get ahead. A country where veterans are treated with dignity and respect. A country so powerful, terrorism is in retreat. Our families are safe.
Okay, so you got to hold the button down to change the volume.
On success.
Otherwise, if you just tap it, it is skip forward and backwards. So I was wrong about that when I was assuming.
Make America great again.
Donald Trump. Let's not listen to that. All right. So the speaker. There we go. Now. There we go. So we got some music going. Plays pretty good. This is going to be perfect volume for my kids whenever they go to sleep. We can put this on here. We've got our timer, so I'm going to figure out exactly how well that timer works, and then whatever this is too, I'm not sure. Oh, turns the light on or off. No?
FM radio.
Oh, FM radio.
Bluetooth's ready.
Bluetooth back again.
Waiting for device connecting.
Okay, anyway, so there's a lot more features to it. I'm probably going to have to go ahead and read this instruction manual before I write up the rest of the review and hook it up in the kids' room. So if you guys got any questions, comments, though, leave them. I'll get to them as soon as I can. And I did receive this for free in exchange for the review. Thank you.